I'm going to say something that many of my Republican friends, well, some of my Republican friends are going to become very angry over, but I'm going to say it. If you run on the platform that you are going to ban abortion, you're going to lose. Restated, if you run on the platform that you are going to imprison women and doctors and nurses who facilitate or perform abortions or have them themselves, imprisoning them, incarceration, carceral confinement, you're going to lose. And if you don't believe in putting women in prison who have abortion, you clearly are not pro-life. Because the only way to be pro-life is to prohibit abortions. And you can argue about, and let's not talk about rape or incest or the life of the mother. Just, I don't want to say plain old, but regular abortions. Because if there's no such thing as outlawing them, but no criminal punitive measures to address it. So if you want to actually be pro-life, you have got to be pro the incarceration of women. And you are going to lose. Now, I don't know how to break this to you, but I'm going to give it a shot. Personally speaking, I believe that at the moment of conception, that clump of cells, blastocyst, embryo, fetus eventually, whatever, is a human being. It's not a duck. It's not a coelacanth. It's a human being. And it is not developed yet. It's not there yet. It can't be there. You got to start somewhere. And it doesn't become a human at some point. It's a human. Now, that being said, I'm pro-choice, meaning I don't believe in incarcerating women who have an abortion. I want abortion to be rare. I want to make it extinct. I want adoption to be the coolest thing that anybody does. I want everybody from the music industry and Hollywood to come forward and say, choose life. Remember Wham and George Michael? Choose life. That's what I want. I hate abortion. Hate the notion of it. Hate the idea of it. I also think that Roe against Wade is the most stupid case that's ever come down the pike. It doesn't make any sense. Applying what? Privacy as a substantive due process right? No. Now, just because Dobbs overruled Roe, which was actually overruled by Casey, just because it is not a federal guarantee doesn't mean that states can't guarantee abortion or guarantee life, depending upon how you look at it. I understand that. Same thing with capital punishment. I absolutely, personally, am against capital punishment for reasons I will get into some other time with you if you'd like. But I do not believe that the Constitution prohibits capital punishment. In fact, it absolutely guarantees life, liberty, or property can be deprived so long as there's due process. But I'm going to tell you something right now, and you may not want to hear this. You might not like this because, well, it's kind of how you are. While you think it's great what DeSantis did, my native state of Florida, that's great. If you think that this country wants to ban abortion where it is non-existent or where women and doctors are subject to incarceration, if you think that will ever fly, or if you think you're going to win politically on that, you are out of your mind.